How to move app icons around the home screen on an Android phone. This video is brought to you by Kids.Education, your destination to download high-quality educational materials for your kids. Rearranging your icons allows you to customize your layout and keep your most used tools within thumb's reach. Navigate to the specific home screen page containing the app icon you want to move. Press and hold your finger firmly on the app icon until it slightly lifts or a small menu appears. Drag the icon across the screen to your preferred empty spot while keeping your finger continuously pressed against the glass. Lift your finger off the screen to drop the icon perfectly into its new location. You can also drag the icon all the way to the extreme left or right edge of your display to push it onto an entirely different home screen page. Pro tip: you can drag apps directly into the bottom row, called the dock, so they remain visible on every single page you swipe to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Now that you know how to arrange your layout, your next step is to group related apps together to save even more space. Click the video on your screen to learn how to create app folders on the home screen on an Android phone right now.